Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can connect WhatsApp to n8n. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining, and this will help you automate sending and receiving WhatsApp messages in workflows. So first, you will have to open your n8n account and create a new workflow. So yeah, make sure that you already have an account here and your account is already set up so that you will be able to proceed to the next steps. So after opening your n8n and creating a new workflow, you will then add a WhatsApp node using Twilio or another supported service. And then you will obtain the API key or authentication token from your WhatsApp provider. You will then paste the credentials into the WhatsApp code in n8n and configure the node to send messages, receive messages, or trigger workflows. Test the connection to make sure messages are sent and received correctly. And yeah, by the way, if your screen looks different, you can also check under notes and then messaging and then WhatsApp. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.